Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a snap fastener tool, and we're going to give this thing a try over here on this little cloth I have here. So we're going to try to clip it and put a snap on it. So like we're going to go through the instructions. It comes with the instructions of how the here. Let's see if we can. I'll zoom you guys in on what I'm doing, and we'll work on it together. So and there we have it. So that was pretty cool. It actually works really well. You can see I screwed up this one down here, but this was my test one here anyway. But I mean, this isn't something I need, but yeah, so that's what it is. So it's pretty cool. You can put a snap on pretty much anything with this. I'm gonna go put one of these on my little fanny pack because I keep dropping things out of one of the areas that doesn't have a closure. So pretty, and see what I mean? So here I have my nice Lululemon bag, and it didn't have a closure on the back. And now I have a snap on the back. So now when I stick something in there, it won't fall out. 'Cause that was the problem always. It ends up upside down and falls out. So how cool is that? Now I have a little closure in there. And no one would ever see it's the back anyway. So pretty cool. Works great. Thumbs up for sure.